Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So now that you have submitted your Indian PCC application to nearest BLS center, either by walk-in or a postal application. Now what happens after that, you'll get to see in this video. So the very first thing is BLS is going to acknowledge the application. And after that, BLS is going to send the application to consulate. Whatever BLS is going to do will be tracked through BLS website. Search BLS PCC tracking on Google. Open the first link, select the submission type. Application type is going to be passport application. Application reference number is the number you see on your PSK account in the application section. It starts with 20- when you created your application form. That is the application reference number you have to enter here. And for postal application, it's almost the same. Passport application, enter the following details and track your application. After receiving your PCC application, the consulate is going to send you an email regarding initiation of police verification on the provided email address. In next few days after receiving the above email, the local police station is then going to give a call on the Indian cell phone number provided in the application to confirm a police verification visit at your Indian home address. The police verification will be carried out, and then the local police station will send the police verification results back to consulate. Consulate will then print out the PCC, mail it to BLS, and then BLS is going to mail the application back to you. So all the process that consulate is going to do will be tracked through BSK website from which you created your PSK account. You can either track here by entering the application reference number and the following details, or by logging in. Current approximate processing time is about 4 to 8 weeks. Each case is different. Some receive it sooner, and for others it may take a bit longer. It depends on the completeness of your application and how busy your BLS center, your consulate and local police stations are. So this is it for this video. So in next video, I'll be showing you how to create a GCKey account so you can create your express entry profile. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a good one.